A tale of two investors. How compound interest creates millionaires. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow wealth effortlessly, while others work hard for decades and never seem to get ahead? What if I told you there's a secret so powerful that once you understand it, you can literally change the course of your life, and it's something you already have access to? This is not magic, it's not luck, it's not even about having a high-paying job. It's about time, and the way you use it. Today, I'll tell you the story of two ordinary people who started with the same amount of money, the same income, and the same opportunities, yet ended up in completely different worlds. By the end, you'll see why compound interest is called the eighth wonder of the world, and how your decisions today could make you a millionaire or leave you with regrets. Sarah was 22 years old when she got her first real job after college. She wasn't making much, but she remembered something her grandfather told her: it's not about how much you earn, it's about how soon you start. So, Sarah decided to invest $200 a month into a simple index fund. She didn't know much about the stock market, but she knew one thing: she had time on her side. Daniel, her best friend, also got a job at the same time. He told Sarah, "I'll start saving later, right now I just want to enjoy life." And so he did. Fancy dinners, weekend trips, the latest gadgets. Daniel was living the good life, while Sarah quietly put away her $200 every month. 10 years later, at age 32, Sarah had built a habit. She had invested $24,000 of her own money, but thanks to compound interest, her account had grown to around $38,000. Daniel, at 32, finally realized he should start saving for the future. He began investing $200 a month, exactly the same as Sarah. But here's the twist: Sarah stopped investing at age 32. She never added another dollar. Daniel, on the other hand, kept investing every month for the next 35 years. Now you might think, well, of course Daniel will end up with more, he's putting in money for much longer, right? Wrong. Fast forward to age 67. The two friends meet again over coffee, each curious to see how the other's life had turned out financially. Sarah opened her investment account. She had invested for only 10 years, remember, she stopped at 32. Her total money invested was just $24,000. But her balance now? Over $500,000. All because she started early and let compound interest work quietly in the background. Daniel smiled and said, "That's nice, but I invested for 35 years straight, so I'm sure I beat you." He had indeed invested more of his own money, about $84,000 over those years. But when he saw his final number, his smile faded. Daniel's account was worth $430,000. Less than Sarah's. How could that be? Sarah had invested for just 10 years, while Daniel had invested for 35 years, and yet he ended up with less. The answer is time in the market, not timing the market. Sarah's early start gave her investments decades to grow upon themselves. Each year, her interest earned more interest, and that interest earned interest too. This snowball effect is what Albert Einstein famously called the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it; he who doesn't, pays it. Sarah understood it, Daniel didn't, at least not soon enough. Daniel leaned back in his chair, staring into his coffee. "I thought I had more time," he whispered. Sarah smiled gently. "We all think that, until time is gone." In that moment, Daniel realized that money grows with time, but time doesn't grow with money. Once a year is gone, you can never get it back. Here's the truth every young person needs to hear: starting early beats investing more later. Compound interest is a silent force. It doesn't shout, it doesn't make headlines, but it works every day, growing your money exponentially, if you give it time to grow. Sarah's story shows us that even small amounts invested early can become a fortune. Daniel's story is a warning: waiting to start costs you far more than you think, because time is the most valuable asset you will ever have. If you're watching this right now, no matter your age, there's one question to ask yourself: am I starting today, or am I waiting for tomorrow? Waiting can feel comfortable, you think you have plenty of time. But every month you wait is money lost, because your future self won't get the chance to grow. The secret to wealth is simple, but not easy. Start early. Be consistent. Let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. Sarah and Daniel's tale isn't just about money, it's about choices, discipline, and respect for time. Remember this: money makes money. The sooner you start, the longer it grows. And the more you grow, the richer your life becomes. Will you be like Sarah, who planted seeds early and watched them grow, or like Daniel, who waited too long and missed out? Thank you for listening to this story. If it moved you, please like and subscribe, so you don't miss more lessons that can change your life. And remember, your future is built today, one small step at a time. Thank you for watching. Remember, wealth isn't built in a day, it's built day by day. Start early, stay consistent, and let time work for you. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. See you in the next video.